Customer support can be time-consuming and expensive, especially for small businesses and growing teams. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into how Retell AI uses voice AI to transform customer support, and whether it's a tool worth considering in 2025. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI tools for business. Retell AI leverages advanced artificial intelligence to create human-like voice agents that can handle customer calls, answer frequently asked questions, and manage routine inquiries without human intervention. Unlike traditional automated systems, Retell AI can maintain a natural conversational flow, understand context, and respond intelligently, making interactions feel like real conversations rather than robotic scripts. For customer support teams, this means repetitive calls can be automated efficiently. Retell AI can handle tasks like troubleshooting common issues, providing account or order information, scheduling appointments, or routing complex queries to a human agent when necessary. This allows human agents to focus on more complex issues, improving overall efficiency and reducing response times. One key advantage of Retell AI is its 24/7 availability. Customers can receive support anytime, reducing wait times and improving satisfaction. Additionally, the AI can be trained to match your brand's tone, ensuring consistent and professional communication. Businesses can also track performance metrics, like call outcomes and customer satisfaction, to continually improve support quality. However, there are trade-offs. Retell AI requires proper setup and some technical knowledge to optimize its performance, and the pricing is based on usage, which can add up for high call volumes. Despite these considerations, for businesses with repetitive customer support tasks or those looking to scale efficiently, Retell AI offers a powerful solution. In summary, Retell AI uses voice AI to automate customer support in a natural, human-like way, helping teams save time, reduce costs, and improve the customer experience. If you found this deep dive helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more practical AI business insights. Thanks for watching.